Alright, so today we're gonna be making a video about the Esee knives Candiru.
And hatchet.
So this is the Esee knives Candiru. It's a nice little knife. Hey girlie, we're trying to make a video. You want to go back there? Daddy will carry you. Alright, let Daddy carry you. Oh, she fell again. Okay, we'll get you. Alright, there we go. Now we're going. You want to make a knife video? Can you hold the box for Daddy? Thank you. Yeah, you gonna talk about it? It's a nice knife we got. Yeah. Pretty good. Yeah.
Oh, bear prints. No.
Those are dog prints.
No, those are bear prints.
Those are dogs, man.
Yeah, there's a claw sticking out, so it's definitely a dog.
Yeah. Oh. So this is the Esee knives Candiru. It's a nice little knife. Comes with this sheath. Locks in pretty good, and it's got a little clip. There's a lifetime warranty on them, and it says no questions asked, warranty on all knives and sheaths. If you break it, send it back and we'll replace it. Warranty is transferable. In other words, we warranty the knife no matter how many times it's been traded, sold, or given away. No sales receipt required. Made in Idaho Falls, Idaho. If I can say it. If you want to read it, it's right there.
Has some tips on how to survive
Yeah, there's tips.
in the woods.
There's tips on how to survive in the
Short-term survival.
woods.
Which is no.
Survival tips. Only move if necessary. Stay put if injured. Confused? Make a shelter and signals.
That's what I do.
If you move, leave signs indicating the direction of your travel. Esee knives. The Zula and the Zula 2 paperwork came with it. And the Candiru. This is the Candiru right here. That's a Zula 2. It's definitely gonna be a good kid's knife.
This knife goes in handy. It went in handy. And
it comes in handy.
And there's that one and that one and that one.
So it's gonna be a pretty good kid's knife once I get it worn down a little bit and it's not so sharp for him. It's a pretty nice knife. Seems like a pretty good company, and they stand behind their product, so I'll definitely be buying more.
For me.
Yeah, definitely. He wants one.
Yeah, I like them. There's a noticeable size difference between the two knives. Right now, this stands about 4 inches is what I've heard, and then this knife, yeah, 5 inches. This knife's around 6 inches, and then holding this in your hand, I definitely think a piece of paracord around the handle would be something good to have, but you have to take the actual comfortable handle off and have just the bare metal.
No, you could You could put it through there and then tighten that down and it would hang off the back. Put like a little knot on there so it'll kind of extend the handle a little bit.
But the blade is extremely sharp and a good clip. It's really good.
Yeah.
Some nice steel for the blade too.
But yeah, overall it's definitely worth the purchase. You saw a snake?
Yeah.
Oh man.
There's a coin that's stuck on here.
Someone embedded a coin into that penny.
Explanations
What
on
year
it.
is it?
I'm 1996. 96.
61.
1961. Do you think he can get it out?
Cool. Yeah, that's cool. Don't.
Wow. Dude,
1961 penny in there.
I spotted some earlier.
Can you smell it, guys?
Mmm. You like it?
Oh, look at this stuff.
You're gonna fry it up? You eat it raw?
Yeah.
Alright.
Fry mine up. Whoa.
That was fun.
Wow.
I never did it like
Is that funny? Man, you're doing good. You can do that in cowboy boots?
This is like pulling it outwards at the top.
Yeah. Alright, I'll follow you. Okay. Woo! You did it.
Show them. Daddy, show them. Knees on the drum.
On the drums, DJ Legend.